I'm a nervous wreck. My palms are sweating. It's always like this. We're fixing to take this little beauty for its first drive in over 15 years. Today is going to be a fun day. We are going to drive the Ford Bronco for the very first time in roughly 15 years. I'm nervous, I'm excited, and I can't wait to take you guys along with me. This one's going to be fun. It's always safer to do your first drive, your first crank, your first time you put it in gear outside. It keeps you from running through your garage wall. Ask me how I know. Let's see what this is all about. This is a time in the drive where you're nervous. You're hoping that there's nothing leaking out that's important, like oil or gas. You're hoping that you're going to stop when you get to the stop sign that you're coming up on. You wonder whether or not it's in first low or first high, because it does sound a little weird. Well, I can't shift gears and talk at the same time or video, so we're just going to leave it in second and see what it'll do. 25, 35 miles an hour is about all we're doing today. We'll get it out on the highway later. I believe I'm in low gear, like climbing up a mountain kind of low gear. We're going to have to look into that when we get back. I don't know how that little shifter on the floor works, but we're going to find out. For those of you guys that are new to the channel, this is Spanky's Hot Rods and Customs, where I try to bring you tips and tricks on how I build cars so that you can get a professional result at home. Most of the content's about hot rods. Occasionally, we'll throw some air-cooled Porsches, Volkswagens, and even a Bronco or a truck in there. If you love this content, to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get back to the video. Wow, so many people have been waiting for that. No leaks. The fans kicked on right on time. I got to figure out the gears. There we go. Ready for a new home. Anybody interested? If you are, just message me. No expense spared on this one, guys. Woo! Still got tools in it. All right, gauges look pretty good. Just got back. Double checking everything under the hood. Well, there you have it. The wait is over. I have driven the Bronco. After years and years of hard work, I finally got to do what we all end up doing once we're finished with something. There's a few little things left I've got to fix and adjust, and I've got to learn my gears. 3 on the tree is not new to me. That rhymed. But hey, when it's been a long time since you've driven one, yeah, you got to remember where reverse is. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been fun bringing you guys all along. We're going to do a reveal on this thing coming soon. Show you all the details, all the neat tricks that were done to it for those of you that have not followed the channel through this whole build. Yes, it's Spanky's Hot Rods and Customs, but every once in a while, we got to be different and throw in something that breaks up the norm. We're fixing to get back only on hot rods. This is my last Bronco. Don't want to do another one. All right, if you guys are through watching, get out in the garage and go build something. See you guys when it's not 103 degrees outside. As always, we cannot leave out our great sponsors: Driven Racing Oil, Porterbuilt Mufflers, the Lug Nut Guys, Benchmark Abrasives, and Wellworth Products. Not to mention all the other guys that send us stuff that we can give away, but these sponsors help us each month give away stuff for you guys that comment. Don't forget to comment. Your name goes in the hat, and you could win a box of goodies.